So today I'm going to show you how to download and install your BingX Exchange Crypto Exchange wallet. How do you get it? How do you install it? Let's get started. Now, we need to do is for Android user, go to your Play Store. For iPhone user, go to your App Store. Once you reach there, come here and search for BingX. You can see, click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see install here. Click on install. It started installing. Let's wait for it. Okay, guys, as you are waiting, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you will not be able to lose any of our videos. Okay, it's almost done. Yes, it has been starting installing, so automatically it's going to start installing on your phone. Very simple, so guys, don't worry about that. Okay, I think it is started installing. It's almost done. Okay, so once you are Android user, go to your Play Store. If you're using your computer, you can go to your App Store, search for BingX Trade Crypto Wallet, Crypto Exchange. It's going to bring it. Click on it, wait for it, let it install, and that is it. Very simple. You can see it started installing. So once it's all finished, that's all. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.